Hi guys and welcome to our YouTube channel TechUp, and today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can block someone on your Yubo. To do so, first of all, open up your Yubo account and then click on the person like avatar on the bottom right side of your screen, which will take you to your friends option. And here you can see all the options of your friends and all the chats you have done with them. Or you can also click on the messaging icon on the bottom right side, and here there will be all the chat options that you have done or made with other people. Now select the account that you want to ban. Right here, this is an account or like you want to ban. And besides the three dot icon on the top right side, there's an exclamation mark. If you click on this, you can see these options pop up where you can either block, report, or even unfriend. Choose the option that suits you the best and now click on block. After that, the account will be blocked and will no longer be visible to you, and your account will also be no longer visible to the account you just blocked. And that is simply how you can block someone on your Yubo. This was for this video, and I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for review and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.